Jamaica's dream of participating at the 2020 Olympics in football hangs in the balance as they face a must-win situation to make progress to round 2 of the qualification process. The Donovan Duki coached under-23 Reggae boys square off against St. Kitts and Nevis. The game is set for the Tony Spalding Sports Complex on Sunday starting at 6:30 p.m.
Local fans expected a marauding display from the highly touted squad, but were treated to a lukewarm 1-1 draw in their opening encounter against Dominica. Restoring hope for the football public is on the agenda for the players and staff, but there is added pressure as their opponents outclassed the Dominicans 4-0. Despite the pressure of getting maximum points from the contest, head coach Donovan Duki is fully aware of how to get by the team from the Lesser Antilles.
They're a good team, and the game will be very competitive, but there are some things that we saw where we'll try to exploit, and hopefully we'll get the result.
And with the hosts hunting that coveted spot, the Kittitians are ready to pounce and ambush the favourites.
Over the years, Jamaica been stopping us in various different age groups, and I mean, we're small, but we're Talawa, and this group decided that, you know, I mean, we are not turning back. You know, a couple of years ago, we met in Santo Domingo, which I think we beat y'all 2 goals to 0, and I mean, obviously the Jamaicans will be coming back for revenge, but I mean, we are not turning back. Trust me, we are not turning back.
Captain Alex Marshall is ready for the big occasion on Sunday and isn't daunted by the visitors' goal scoring and technical prowess shown on Friday.
We know it's a must-win game, so we just have to go out there and work on what we didn't do last game and score chances, you know, and play as a team. I think they took their chances, something we didn't do in that game, and you know, on the day is who take their chances will win the game and come out victorious.
And Coach Duki says drawing the first game doesn't change much and sees no need for the team to panic.
Had we won the first game, we still would have to beat them in the last game. We have not played together for a long while, and the first game we look at it as an eye-opener for us. If we want to progress in the competition, this is the sort of challenges that we want. So it's a task that we are looking to accomplish. It's the second game on the journey, and I can tell you that the guys are ready.
With all the talent in the squad, Jamaica's journey to Tokyo rests on clearing the first of 3 hurdles, including topping the group on Sunday. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.